Okay, it's time for unboxing. I got here my Echo Show 8. Let me just open up here. Here we go. Pretty new device, very good. Just try to open here. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. Okay, here we go. Here's the box. Let me check the device first. And here we have it, with the plastic and everything. That's great. How do I open this? Here we go. Echo 8. Pretty nice, huh? Some buttons here at the top. Let me just get this box back and see what I have here. Just a power supply. Of course, gonna come with a power supply. Let me see if there's something else here. No, just boxes. Here we go. Let's just open this plastic. Connect this where I put this here. Here at the back. And then I connect here to power. Here we go. I think I need to press a button here. Nope. Ooh, pretty nice sound. Here we go, getting your device online. Oh, it says also in Spanish. It's saying everything in English and in Spanish. That's great. Because we live here in the United States, there are a lot of Spanish speakers, so it's doing the two languages. That's nice. I don't know if it's for everybody or just for me that I live here and back in Miami. Everybody speaks Spanish here in Miami. I think it's not, because the device doesn't know that I'm living in Miami, right? At least not yet. Or it does, because it has my name here. What the heck? That's nice. It's registered to me already. When it comes from Amazon, because I buy on Amazon, it comes registered to me. That's great. So I click here, yes, that's me. Start loading. That's pretty awesome. North America, Eastern Standard Time, that's okay. So he thinks I speak Spanish also, right? Here's my address. I'm gonna blur this out, of course, for privacy. Continue. Loading. Which room is your Echo 8 in? So I can choose the location. I can put like kitchen. And I can use a device name. Just change it here. Let me put like done. Continue. Free trial. No thanks. Audible trial and stuff. No thanks. Almost done. And here's
this device is ready.
Oh, that's easy. So easy. And I think it knows my Wi-Fi password and everything else, because I didn't enter my Wi-Fi password. Nothing here. And it's just working. Perhaps it knows my camera also, because I have some cameras here. Perhaps it's gonna show my cameras. Let me try. Alexa, show Reolink camera 3.
Okay.
Oh, that's so easy. I have the Reolink camera connected to other device here, and it already found it, and it's supposed to be working. What the heck? Works like pretty easy. Alexa, show Reolink 2.
Okay.
Waiting for a camera. That's it. Let's see if it works. It works with the first one. Probably it's gonna work with this one too. and just pretty simple. And here we go. So pretty nice device. Okay, with the buttons here, volume, I can mute the device, it stays red like this. This one is for what, I don't know. Camera. Oh, I have a camera here. There's a camera. I can close the camera for privacy. Camera close it, you see? Pretty good. And here I can connect the micro USB, an external speaker, and that's it. It's working. So this is a pretty nice device. I'm gonna test it with more cameras and other stuff that I have here with automation. I have a lot of stuff here working with Alexa, and I'm pretty happy with this device. And let's see what happens. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.